Hello everyone! In this video, we'll guide you through the process of installing an SSL certificate on macOS servers. First, generate a CSR, or Certificate Signing Request, and a private key using the SSL Dragon CSR Generator tool. Save the private key code securely and share the CSR with SSL Dragon to issue a CRT, or certificate. When filing out the CSR, use your domain name, for example, yourdomain.com for the common name, and your associated email address, for example, info@yourdomain.com for the email address field, as demonstrated in the video. Next, copy the generated CSR code and private key into .csr and .key files, respectively, and share them with SSL Dragon. SSL Dragon will then issue a CRT for your domain. Open Keychain Access and drag and drop the .ca bundle file into the Keychain Access window. To verify that both root and immediate certificates are now in the keychain, enter the name of the CA, or Certificate Authority, in the search bar. You should see Intermediate Certificates with blue icons and Root Certificates with yellow icons. Right-click on an intermediate certificate and select Get Info to view the certificate information. You will see the expiration date and confirm that all other information is valid. When viewing the certificate details, click on the Trust section and select Always Trust. Right-click on the Demo SSL Dragon certificate and choose the Evaluate option. Select the SSL option, enter the hostname www.ssldragon.com and click Next. Specify the certificate to be evaluated. Check the Include Certificates from My Keychains option and click Done. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Enjoy a 10% discount on any SSL certificate order at SSL Dragon by using the promo code YouTube10 during the checkout process.